What is going on today, everybody? It's Buddy here, and we just hit 100,000 subscribers. So we're doing a free tool giveaway, but we're giving away 2 tools this time. The first one here is this top-down battery tester. I actually have 2 of these, so I'm giving one away. This one's brand new. It's never even been used. They do a couple different tests on your battery. This one's about 60 bucks retail, so this is not a real cheap one. And we also have an OBD scan tool here. This one's only about 25 bucks. This is something you can let your friend borrow or take with you to go see a car or something. You don't have to worry about damaging it. It does all the basic scan tool stuff. So let's go over how to win. So the first thing you gotta do is thumbs up this video, and you have to be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, you do get disqualified. Now, if you thumbed up the video and you're a subscriber, all you have to do is comment on the video. You can comment anything. Again, you can tell me like your favorite soup. You can comment literally anything. Now, for people who have Instagram, you can actually double your chance to win. So you get a second entry. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna look at all my new followers here for the next 4 days, and you're gonna get a second entry to win this tool on top of the video comment. And obviously, guys, I will leave a link in the description for my Instagram so you can easily find it. Now, if you're already a current follower here to my Instagram, just send me a message saying enter, and I'll enter you in. That way, if you already are a follower of mine, you don't get a chance to miss out. You do get a second entry as well. So today is Thursday. So I'm going to give it Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then the winner is going to be announced Monday. So be sure to come back to the video Monday and see if you are dropped in the pinned comment. That's where I'm going to announce the winner. And if you get randomly selected here on Instagram, I'm going to send you a message. So we got about $75 of free tool giveaway this time. And don't worry, if you're coming to this video late, be sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm going to start doing a lot more tool giveaways on my Instagram once I get more followers. As some of you guys know, I just made my Instagram like last month. So once we jack the Instagram numbers up, we can start doing a bunch of tool giveaways. I've already arranged a couple things with some tool companies. And obviously, I want to say thank you for 100,000. I really couldn't have done it without you guys. I mean, for obvious reasons. But thank you guys so much. Good luck on the tool giveaway and have a great weekend.